wasn't spending time on MySpace until the spammers ended up taking over my place, and I was so bitter until I found Twitter. Ooh, a place where you can go ahead and write what you're feeling. 140 characters or less is what you're giving. My addiction starts to climb. I go to refresh my timeline, 'cause I won't stop tweeting no more, no more. It cannot wait, I'm sure. Ooh, hey, hey.
Hi,
I'm Ngọc.
I'm Quan. Today we will talk together about how people use social network in their daily lives.
As we all know, social networks have dominated our modern life. It's into that we are in the digital era, and social networks has been making our life easier and more convenient, thanks to its enormous to communicating and information sharing among people of the world.
A social network is a powerful tool providing the human race with some advantage. Still, it also contains its disadvantages.
First, I will to talk about the current situation as well as the harms of using social media. Please watch the following videos. These are pictures that we have gathered from the age of students. We all see that each person has a phone. They just stare at the screen, not interested in the surrounding things. Even sitting next to each other but not talking to each other. It seems that learning has created a separate world with only you and your phones. It's a really an alarming situation, especially for young people, because it poses many serious effects on their development. But what do you think the harm of this social networks over dependent situation?
I think the biggest harm is the health effect, because according to scientific research, looking too long at the phone screen will cause the body to release a lot of bad energies. In addition to the radiation of screen light image, we call the eye pain fatigue.
I completely agree. In addition to the harm you said, recently, the abuse of social networks also many causes of the harm such as delaying working, being lazy, ignoring, not thinking. Even the addition to social media making alarm humans' behaviors. For instance, this week, 4 students neglected to study guests with outside world.
Besides the harmful effect of using the social network, it also has a lot of benefit for us as humans to make it easier to imagine and understand the benefit that social media brings. Let's take a look at the following situation.
Hi, what are you doing?
We are thinking about the solution in this math. We are scared that we can't finish it.
Let's see it. It's really hard, so I'm sorry I can't solve it.
Well, never mind.
We can search for the solution on Google with my laptop.
Good idea.
Yes.
Let's start. The mass media is useful. It can help us to search for information and explain a lot of problems which we don't understand.
Yes, I agree with you.
Jack, do you want to relax?
Okay.
Hi, what are you doing?
We are listening to music to lunch.
After a listen, it's we challenge.
Oh, do you want to play game for fun or not? This game is unhealthy and entertains us effectively.
That's so good.
Let's start with games.
Hi, my lovely daughter.
Hi, Dad.
How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm fine. How's your study?
Is it good? I'm one of the best students in my school.
I'm perfectly happy to hear that. So everything is alright?
Yes, is it? Dad, how can you call video with me?
Your brother teaches me. The mass media is convenient. I can talk to you and see you from a long distance.
Yes, it's convenient. I must go to school now, so let's keep you healthy. Bye, Dad.
Bye.
After the last three situation, we have also seen the necessary benefits that social media has brought us. It's in connecting relationships together in life, finding useful information and knowledge, work and study, helping us to relax after a tiring working day, and there are many other harms that we cannot cover here. In short, everything will have design on it that's beneficial and harmful. So we must know how to use it properly to think and acting. The last thing we want to tell everyone is the message of this project that